hair. It's my hair for me. Get into it. Get into this ombre, galaxy ombre vibe this is giving me. Okay? I did the damn thing. I recorded the whole process, so if you guys want to see how I got this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful color, please let me know. I'll be posting it anyway, so still I want you guys to let me know. I colored it, I retwisted it, styled it. Right now I'm gonna show you guys how I got this cute style. I really had so much fun doing this look because I really put the colors where I wanted it. I pictured it. I seen the picture with this colors, but I didn't like the placement of the colors. Me, the way I like to color my hair, I like to ombre. I will go from dark to light. So that's what I did. I put the blue at the top, which is the darkest, and then the green at the tips, and some purple highlights. So I can't wait to post a video for you all, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. Super cute, super cute, super easy, super fast. Can't wait to see how it fades out. I can't wait. You know how colors fade away over time. I know it's gonna fade out so beautifully, so satisfying. But yeah, anyways, enough of me talking about my hair, guys. I did it. This is my little secret I've been keeping from you guys. This came out super cute. I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed it. I really loved how it came out. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for making it to the end of this video. If you did, have a wonderful night or day. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I'll see y'all next time, my loves. Thank you for watching. Bye.